Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this Upart wig from HerGivenHair. What I love so much about the Upart wig is it's not like the clip-ins and it's not the lace wig that you can still have your leave out just like you do with the clip-ins, but it's something that you can literally just put on and go in the matter of minutes. So as you can see, I'm just showing you everything that comes in the pack. One thing I love about HerGivenHair is that during this pandemic, they made sure to actually give out gloves, masks, as well as alcohol wipes, because we know how scarce that was here in the US. So I love that they actually included that in my package, and then they wrote me a little sweet note. Like, I thought that was just so cute. Like, I loved it. But as you can see in the Upart wig, it is constructed with your basic combs as well as elastic bands. Excuse me, but I forgot to mention the texture. This is in the Coily texture, which is a 3C/4A. The hair color is 1B. The length is 18 inches. And the cap size that I received is medium. So as you can see here, I'm just showing you the construction of the wig. You always want to make sure that you wash and condition the hair before you put it on your head. So what I'm going to be showing you here is the products that I use to wash and condition. And I just want you to pay close attention to the actual color of the water. I did get some type of dye from the hair, and that's why it's so important for you to actually wash the hair before you put it in your head. After I fully washed and conditioned it, the water ran clear after that. So you just want to make sure you don't skip that step. So as you can see here, if you haven't already watched my previous video, I had some mini twists in my head. To be honest, it was time for me to take them out and wash my hair. But I just wanted to go ahead and prolong this style with using this. So if you do see some residue inside of my hair, I promise you it's oil and conditioner that I just went ahead and sprayed on my hair for me to rock this style. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the combs in place. It's literally just that easy. Look how quick I was able to do that. And then after I put the combs in place with the Upart wig and make sure that it is secure, I'm gonna go ahead and take my mini twist apart. Of course, I've had these twists in for a few weeks, so my hair is completely defined. And I'm just gonna go ahead and further style the hair. I'm just gonna go in with some basic Eco Styler gel with water. I'm gonna spritz the hair down with some water first, go in with my Eco Styler gel as well as my Shea Moisture Enhancing Smoothie, and we got a Upart wig style with the minimum leave out. Like, it's just that simple and that easy. Stick around to the end of the video for the finished look. Also, I just want to apologize in advance. about my lashes. I have no idea. I have no idea why they look like that. I'm thinking that some of the glue got trapped on the lash and is making it look, I don't know, y'all. Just excuse it. I probably shouldn't even point it out, but I know somebody was going to point it out anyway. So I just rather address it now in the video. Excuse my lashes, y'all. It was something I threw on real quick and I didn't pay attention to it. This is how nice and juicy the curls are looking. As you can see on the right side, your right, my left, that is the side that I went ahead and defined, and the other side is without it being defined. And this is going to be the finished look. I am absolutely in love with it. One thing that I can say is in these clips, the hair was still wet, so that's why you can kind of see the residue on my natural hair. But I absolutely love how well this hair blended with my natural hair. I love how quick and easy it was. Like I said, it's something you can throw on and go. It's not like your clip-ins, and then it's not like the lace wigs. You still have that natural leave out for a flawless look. So I'm gonna put all of the information in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.